With those new COVID case numbers in Slocum, state health officials are more motivated than ever to get as many folks as possible vaccinated. WDHN's Robert Smith Jr. joins us live in the newsroom. Robert, what does this next plan consist of?
Mike, Alabama will be launching mobile COVID-19 vaccination units this month for those who may have the desire to get the vaccine, but it's just been an obstacle for them since the height of the pandemic. Earlier this year, the Alabama Department of Public Health partnered with the National Guard to hold large COVID-19 vaccination clinics. Although that has been a success, the state is taking the next step.
So we're now looking at ways that we can get out to people who honestly don't have dependable travel, they don't have safe transportation. They may be, homebound, they may be bedbound.
Starting next week, the National Guard and nurses will visit in-need areas like public housing complexes, jails, homeless shelters, and large businesses in Wiregrass counties. The vaccines being offered at these sites will consist of mostly Moderna and a few of the one-dose Johnson & Johnson.
Unfortunately, like this whole process has been, it slows it down a little bit because you do a lot of first doses 1 month, and the second month you're kind of following up with your second dose. But this will help to add a lot of people to our rolls that maybe otherwise wouldn't be able to get the vaccine.
Several months ago, the Houston County Commission approved a grant to finance a mobile vaccine vehicle that will travel to people who don't have access to transportation as well as rural areas. Kirkland says it's important to reach those who need help in order to keep hospital numbers down.
And the only way to get there is to reach out to some groups who, for whatever again, have not been able to get vaccine or just have not decided that it's right for them. We're going to try to go to some of those areas. We can answer the questions, we can provide the vaccine, and try to keep everyone safe and try to keep, like you said, get back to where we were 13, 14 months ago, hopefully.
Now, Kirkland says he's not ruling out the larger clinics. Most certainly you can get your vaccination there if you're able. However, if you're a large business and need to have employees vaccinated, contact the Alabama Department of Public Health and they'll get you scheduled.